And welcome back to Built for Tech. Today I got the Z Fold 7 over here. I'm gonna open it up and see what's inside. Okay, the phone, holy crap, it's so thin. What's inside the box? SIM ejector, instruction manual, charging cable, USB Type-C. And here's what I love. Wow, look at that. It's so thin. This thing is super thin. Look how thin this thing is. Oh my God. It's compared to my S25 Ultra. Oh, the hinges are much better than the Z Fold 6. It's just so snappy and no air gaps between when it's closed shut. It's slimmer, lighter, more refined in every way. And you notice it the second you pick it up, the balance, the weight, even the sound the hinge makes. It just feels right. The hinge now folds completely flat. No weird gap, no flex. It locks with confidence and stays that way. Rated for 500,000 folds, and honestly, it feels like it. The cover screen is now 6.5 inches. Finally wide enough to feel like a real phone. Texting, maps, socials, finally feels one-handed. No more compromise. 8-inch display, brighter than ever. Up to 2600 nits with vision booster. Even outside in full sun, no problem. The crease still there, but it's shallow now. Less distracting. You stop noticing it actually. They also cut glare this year. There's a soft matte layer on the screen. Subtle but effective. Reflections are finally under control. Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite, 12 gigs of RAM, Android 16, One UI 8, no lag, no stutter. You can open 3 apps, run flex mode, add clips all at once. This thing is fast. The camera setup got a real upgrade this year. 200 megapixel on the main sensor. Sounds like overkill, but it actually makes a difference. Shots are sharp, dynamic range are solid, and low lights are better than expected. Samsung's processing is doing a lot of heavy lifting, but this time, it mostly works. Flex mode makes this thing weirdly good for taking a photo without a tripod. Set it on a table, flip the screen, frame it, and boom. That part is genuinely fun to use. Under display selfie cam, still soft, still smudgy, and it's technically improved, but not enough to rely on. If you care about how your face looks, use the outdoor camera with the cover screen as a viewfinder. You'll thank yourself. Battery life is the same as the last year version, 4400 milliamps, but better results thanks to the new chip. I've been pulling 6 to 7 hours of screen on time without babysitting it. GPS camera, multitasking, Bluetooth, it holds up. And I haven't felt range anxiety in real life. Charging though, still 15 watt wireless, so yeah, still slow. That part didn't get smarter. Here's the thing, this is the most refined fold Samsung has made. It's not experimental anymore, it's not half-baked, it's just good. It's really good, but it's also $2,500 Canadian, so who's it actually for? If you've never tried a foldable before, this is the one. If you're still using the Fold 3 or even a Fold 4, this is worth jumping to. If you were on the Fold 6, you're fine. It's not a night and day difference unless you need that camera upgrade or slimmer design. For everyone else, it's the best foldable phone you can buy, period. But if that makes it worth it, depends on how much folding matters to you. And if this video helped you make a decision, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave your comment below, and I'll see you guys next time.